How to create forms for beginners. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this new video. So let's get started right away. Now what you want to do is go to Google Forms, of course, and here you can either create a blank form like this and do all kinds of settings and stuff like that. What you can also do is choose one of these like default sort of like setups. So you can, for example, do the party invite and open that up, and you have like a sort of like preset. Yeah, that's what I meant, a preset. So here you can actually just use this already. You can also change the this picture. I think if you go to customize theme, here you can yeah, upload your own image like that. You can change the colors to whatever you like. Here you can also, yeah, change like these questions and stuff like that. But if you were to just make a form yourself, like a complete from scratch, then you can just name this like form and then add a description, something like this. You know, I'm just typing something random, and then the first question will be like, for example, are you subscribed? And then you can change here to multiple choice, short answer, paragraph, checkboxes, drop down, a file upload, and you know, you can just change it all, like everything what you want. So here you can do short answer. People can only type a couple words. Paragraph, a long answer. Multiple choice, you can add a couple options. Checkboxes, they have to check like these options. Drop down, linear scale, and like you have all kinds of settings that you can do. So let's say I would put multiple choice. Option 1 would be yes, and option 2 would be no, and you guys will probably, of course, select yes. And then yeah, you can add like another question. If you click on here, same process, and you can just do import questions, title, add image, add video. You can do so much with this. So yeah, that is kind of it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.